Hi everyone, Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay. Welcome to my channel and the playlist ASP.NET Core MVC. In previous video, we went over edit employee functionality. In this video, we will go over delete employee functionality. However, this will not be a physical delete; it will be a logical delete. So in most of the project in real world projects, master data are never deleted physically. So basically, they are not permanently deleted from the database. They are there, but they are marked as deleted. So it is something called logical delete. So we will see how we can achieve this logical delete. So ideally, just marking is active flag to true or false. We decide whether the record is active or not. So let's dive into this further. So let me run the screen, and let's say over here we will work on delete. If I click delete now, I don't think we have the delete view created, so we will get the error, right? So let's close this. Let's work on delete view first. Let's open employee controller, and I think we should have the delete get and delete post method. Let me check it. So we have it, yeah. So let's say right click and add view. Let's select the second option, add. Let's select the template, delete from here, and let's select the model class. So over here we will be selecting employee detail, because while deleting we'll be displaying employee detail along with the project details, right? So we'll take this, let's say add. Okay, so view is generated. Let's see, it is displaying all the details. And let's try to replicate it with the detail screen. So whatever we have on detail, we will be displaying the same thing. So let me take this all. Let me take this div actually and replace this div with it. No, but let me take this form outside the div, because we will need, while deleting on delete post method, we will need ID, right? So now let's replace this entire div from here to here, right? And let's make these employee details. This is good, this is good, this is good. Now they both are kind of same. Only thing over here detail, here we will have delete. Okay, excellent. Let me close this. Let's run this once and see the output. uh, Now before we see the output, we'll have to bring that on the, we'll have to bring the selected employee on the edit get screen. So let me go to detail section, yeah. So this we will have to bring it on over here, and we'll pass the VM over here, and let's run it and see once whether this is working or not. Let's go to employees. Let's go to delete. So we have the employee details displayed over here. Let's make this, let's just, I think UI is okay still. We'll just change this back to list button, right? And next we'll work on the delete post method, right? So let me close this. Let's go over here. Let's mark this delete to h4. Let's improve our design a little bit, and let's add a class to over here. Class is equal to btn secondary, and we'll also use outline, right? btn secondary, save. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is to have the delete procedure ready. So let me go over here. I have ready. So let me write this as create or alter. USP employee delete. We'll take ID as input and we'll just update the isActive flag to 0. Remember, we are implementing logical delete, not physical delete. So we'll not delete the record. We'll just update its isActive flag to 0. 0 means inactive, 1 means active. So let me go ahead and run this. So this is created successfully. Next thing is to go to the service. So we'll go to employee service. We'll go to the, we remove this, delete employee method. So we have the delete employee method. Okay, over here let's change this, mark this to public. Right, it is not supposed to return anything. And what we'll be doing is we'll take the code of executing something. Right, so let me go to department service and bring the update department code, or maybe we can also get the delete department code. Right, so let's take this, put it down over here. So this is good, this is good, delete. Let's change the store procedure name. So this is good, delete employee. This is good, this is good, this is good. Parameters, okay, ID. Okay, now what do we need to do is simple. On controller side, come to post, remove this, we don't need this collection. ID is good enough. Right, what's the problem over here? Okay. So let's keep it. Now ideally one is a post method and one is a get method, it should work. We don't need this ideally. Let it be. So what do we need to do over here? Underscore employee service dot delete employee. In that, just add the parameter ID, right, and save it. Right. So this will actually mark an employee as active or as inactive. Right. It is not physically deleting. Right. So let's run this and see. Let's go to employees. Let's mark this first employee as deleted. Currently he is active. Okay, see it over here. Now let's say delete. Right, so this guy is inactive now. Let's go to even detail section. This guy is inactive. Right. So logical delete is working very nicely. So ideally, in every other queries in the project, usually the way the queries are written, that every time we will have to consider only active record only. So where condition should always involve where is a inactive flag is equal to 1. Right, so inactive employees, department, projects or designation should not be considered in any further queries in during the project. Right, unless you wanna update, insert, update, delete the existing master data. Right, so for other transaction records, only active records should be considered, not the inactive one. Right, so with this we are completing the series on Dapper. We have implemented nice master data, department CRUD and employee CRUD also. Right, so department was a little simple screen. Employee screen has a very nice, comprehensive master detail, child example, validations, and possibly it covers all the controls as well, like text box, radio button, drop down. So this will be a good uh, handy tutorial to brush up your knowledge on MVC. Right, so thanks a lot guys, and see you in some other videos. Thanks a lot for watching.